Hi. Yeah, even in retirement, I still think about you guys. Hope everybody's doing okay. I just found this real cool tip that I don't know whether you guys know, but a lot of times when you've got a cell here where everything is merged into one cell and you want to sort it by the last name, you've got to type everything out. Well, I found a cool trick to get around that. If you type the first row, split it up. Okay, go down to the next row, press Control E. It will fill in everything and split that cell out. You see, it doesn't do good when you don't have a phone number here. It puts the whole everything from the cell in there. But other than that, I think it works really good. I would, if I were still teaching, I would probably make my students do this so that they could sort it by last name, sort the list by last name. But that's me. Okay, you guys have. I hope everybody's doing good. Bye.